Buy a mass briquette machine. Buy a mass briquette machine. Use a large screw to grind, compress, and extrude the biomass into briquettes. Biomass includes sawdust, rice husk, nut shell, cotton, etc. Inner sleeve and forming cylinder are spare parts of briquette machine. Heating ring, achieve heating effect. Propeller is main spare parts. Heating raw materials when the temperature achieves around 400 C. Raw material should be under 358-12 humidity. The raw material in the video is sawdust, 12% humidity. Less smoke and heat will be generated during production. If you mind this smoke and heat, we also match the smoke removed system. This is the end product. Diameter is 50 mm hexagon briquette. 60 mm, 70 mm, 80 mm, and 90 mm also could be produced. We share more videos later. Bye.